Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I pretty much made a review for my Asus Zenfone ROM, but I have some issues in packing that into a flashable zip of CyanogenMod 12 with the GFs. So I made a backup, but I will show you how to install it in case you don't know but love this ROM like that. Just go to the settings like ordinary CyanogenMod 12. Go to the about phone and tap the build number 7 times, then you will get a developer option over here. Just go to developer option and select advanced reboot to the on. Go back, hit the power button and select reboot recovery, and you can find many videos how to install a recovery for Euphoria, so I'm not making that over here. Just how to install the ROM, and it will surely go to the recovery because I am having some issues while playing with these buttons. So okay, let me just add the brightness over here, and that should be good. Okay, so go to the wipe, select advanced wipe, select Dalvik and ART cache, system, data and cache. Don't just select the internal storage or the micro SD card. Then go to the mount system, persist and firmware and everything else. You don't need a micro SD card for that. Then go back, go to a restore. Then I will create an archive, just extract it over your internal storage and select that like this. Select system and boot and just swipe to restore. That's it, and you will get into the ROM and just go back after it installs and reboot the system. That's it. Very easy and simple. And if you don't know how to extract a RAR, then you can also find videos about that in the whole world. There will be millions of videos for that. Here's the board animation. Intel inside. It's Snapdragon inside. Of course. It will take a bit of time in first boot, and it will optimize some apps according to the Euphoria, and it should be done. Don't panic at all because it's a base of CyanogenMod 12, and I will provide a link for a phone dialer patch. Just go to the file manager, go to the apps and search it where you have downloaded it. Just search for the icon like this one, tap on that, hit the install and like a normal APK because it's basically a newer version of that contacts. Let it install fully. Wi-Fi is working. Okay, it should be done by now, I guess. Go to the phone. You will get a stock phone over here till the another one is installing, because I will pretty much kept both ones because in case that one doesn't work, this is also working. And there you have it. So thanks for watching guys. Also hit a like if you like my work, and thanks for watching. Peace.